Well, here's a portion of an irrigation design, and I'm in the process of developing some symbols. And if you click on, or if I click on this line here, it's a PVC 25mm diameter, and the magenta line, which you'll notice is on a different layer, is a PVC 20mm. What I'll need, because this is a 25mm going to a 20mm, I need a symbol for a joiner, and I've made the symbol, called it PVC 25 to 20 joiner, trying to use long and descriptive block names to assist when this gets used in a palette of landscaping symbols for irrigation designers. But can you see, in contrast to this elbow symbol here, which stands out very nicely, this symbol is rather pale and not defined clearly. The way to fix that is to take the symbol and right click and then pick Edit Block. Pick the two blobs of text which are trying to illustrate that it's going to be a change in diameter, and set so that it has a border, and then set the border color, in this case to 250, and then we'll close the block edit. Can you now see that the symbol stands out very nicely indeed? That little trick is also useful when you are working on, say this is a design for an 8-seat table with stools. It's an ellipse, so notice how that the border of that ellipse, or the boundary of the ellipse, is not clearly defined. So I can use the same technique. Select the ellipse, come right down to the bottom in the properties box, and say yes, we're going to give it a border, and our border color will be, say, 251, and then we'll unselect all. Now we have a nice sharp border. This little symbol on the side is a symbol for the stool, and you could do the same thing there. Edit the block, just pick the rectangle on the edge there, and just say yes, we'll give it a border, and close. So we now have a symbol for an oval shaped table and 8 chairs that go around it, which is nice and clearly defined, so that can be put into your block library. So it's a small tip, but a useful technique.